So eto na nga guys, wala tayong magawa sa buhay ngayon. Kaya halugugin natin ang Amerika dito sa West Coast guys. So after nating pumasyal sa Los Angeles, California, 2 days ago, andito tayo ngayon sa San Francisco. San Francisco, California. At ito nga Buddies Informative na channel guys, paikot-ikot lang sa buong mundo. Kaya ito yung channel na para sa inyo. If you want to look for some adventures, different places on earth, dito ka na sa Buddies
Just looking cute, I'm gonna help you. I'm a tall 6'5", gentleman, give or take a foot, with a face only a mother can love. Yes, you can say I'm tall, dark, and handsome. Check all those boxes. All right, if anybody would like the Union Square stop, come on down. ATA, ATF, Elon Musk, Mr. X, yes, all those alphabets, they all hang out in this building to our left. Oh, Elon knows this building well. He's always in trouble. Formerly known as Twitter, now he's X the unknown, and now you know why. Why? Because he's always in trouble. I want to be known either if I was always in trouble. All right, as we get ready to sink our teeth into the tenderloin. Trying new things. How about you, number 10? Well, guess not. Next stop then will be Union Square by way of the Tenderloin. Monument I pointed out back at the Golden Gate Bridge in the Ferry Building. Clock it. Now the dome on top of City Hall, the 5th largest dome in the world. In the world. Facts. Larger than one in Washington, D.C., the nation's capital. All facts. Now City Hall today is a place where protests and marriages happen on a regular basis. One of the more famous weddings that took place at City Hall was with Joe DiMaggio and Marilyn Monroe. They just took their wedding day photos on the stairs of a church in North Beach. I'm sure you guys had church wraparounds to the back end. Tie-dye store. Do not look over there to your left at the corner of that tie-dye store. Why would you do that? I just said don't do that. She is looking and sounding thirsty as ever. It's a thirst trap. That's also my 5th ex-wife. Don't judge her. And don't judge me either. And number 9, you see what not to do, right? Don't get a job along my... I do not like long walks on the beach. Unless it's that nude beach. 1, because I don't like to walk. And 2, I don't like when that sand gets between my toes. It just doesn't...
Kung titingnan mo guys, parang napakalawak na karagatan. Yes, it is. Kasi Pacific side na yan guys. Ito yung San Francisco Bridge. Golden Gate. Yes, hindi ho kayo nagkakamali. Andi dito tayo ngayon sa ibabaw.
Sausalito, must-see spot. Now you can actually catch a ferry from Fisherman's Wharf over to Sausalito. Now San Francisco is like myself in this way. It is one of one. It is its own city in its own county. There are no other cities in San Francisco County, not even south of San Francisco. Figure that one out. Just think about where you live in the county you stay in, Maryland, and how many cities are within it. Exactly. Coming in.
So, yan na nga guys. Ito yung iconic San Francisco Bridge. Napakadaming turista dito at from different walks of life. At ito, si Kabayan mukhang na familiar daw sa kanya yung ating channel, kaya talagang kumaway si Kabayan kasama ng kanyang mga kamag-anak. At ito si Dudes. Ito yung kasama ko, kabady ko, na minsan ay cameraman ko. So ngayon dito kami sa San Francisco at kami pa rin dalawa yung magkabady nito. At alam nyo naman, pagdating sa pasyalan, si Dudes maasahan yan bilang cameraman. Dito talagang napakalakas ng hangin guys, dito sa taas ng ng bundok, no? Dito papunta sa San Francisco Bridge. At habang papasok nga tayo, ay talaga namang mamamangha ka sa ganda ng scenery. So guys, thank you for watching Buddies Informative. At again, so guys, kung mapapansin nyo, wala tayong background music ngayon kasi alam nyo naman, yung copyright. Masasayang lang yung ating effort kapag nilagyan natin ng background music at makaka-copyright lang yung channel natin. Kaya mas maganda pa, puro kuda na lang ng kuda, dada na lang ng dada, walang copyright. So guys, ito, para ka lang nakasakay sa roller coaster, pero tingnan nyo naman yung view. Awesome. At shoutout nga pala sa lahat ng followers ng Buddies Informative dito sa YouTube at saka sa ating Facebook dyan sa Alexander Arian Orillo. At shout out sa lahat ng mga followers ko dyan sa Sibuyan Island, o mga masugid nating taga-subaybay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So guys, sakay nga pala tayo ng half on, half off na bus. At ito'y $55 ang bayad namin sa pag-ikot sa buong San Francisco. At sulit naman dahil talaga namang napasyalan namin ang bawat sulok ng San Francisco, guys. Kaya ito'y isang napakagandang experience dito sa Amerika. Yung maikot mo yung buong San Francisco na dati na sa TV mo lang nakikita, guys. Yan. Sulit ang adventure natin ngayon. So ito guys, yung mga bahay dito, dikit-dikit. Pero nakikita nyo naman, ang ganda ng architectural design nila. 'Di ba? Tsaka dito napakadisiplinado. Ayan, tinan mo, hihinto talaga muna bago magko-cross ng roads. Yan, ganon dito, ang linis, ang ganda ng klima, disiplinado. Sana ganito rin sa Pilipinas, guys.
California and
So,
San
ayan na nga,
Francisco by
guys.
way of
Tayo
Peru.
ay
A lot of people think they originated here in San Francisco, but they did not. They started in Peru, they came to Stockton, California, then landed in San Francisco. This tour side of the bus coming up is the Power High Camouflage line. This is the most popular line out of the three lines, but not the oldest. The oldest line is the
At dito naman magtatapos ang ating adventure dito sa San Francisco, California, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay ng Buddies Informative at mabuhay po kayong lahat. Salamat. God bless. Hanggang sa muli.